Shakespeare's name is synonymous with English literature. In this series, we will dive into his famous collection of poetry. Today, we'll read Sonnet 4, one of a group of poems called the Procreation series within his sonnets, named after the message of the poems. Please note that for YouTube purposes, there is one word that I have censored that is considered extremely offensive today. I have replaced it with a word that has the same meaning as Shakespeare intended. This word is noted in the captions and brackets as my own addition. If you enjoy the reading, please be sure to like, subscribe, and tune in next week for more literature. Unthrifty loneliness, why dost thou spend upon thyself thy beauty's legacy? Nature's bequest gives nothing, but doth lend, and being frank, she lends to those are free. Then, beauteous hoarder, why dost thou abuse the bounteous largess given thee to give? Profitless usurer, why dost thou use so great a sum of sums, yet canst not live? For having traffic with thyself alone, thou of thyself, thy sweet self dost deceive. Then how, when nature calls thee to be gone, what acceptable audit canst thou leave? Thy unused beauty must be tombed with thee, which used lives the executor to be.